Good morning. It is Sunday in Yosemite. We're like an hour out of the park. We've got to drive into the park. We're only here for a few days, so today will probably be the only day we go to the park. But we've got a lot of cool stuff to do, I'm sure, in the infamous Yosemite Park. We are set up in like a little state park, state campground. I don't even know the name of this town, but we are looking forward to all the cool stuff we're gonna do. But first we gotta drive in. Let's go.
This is the happiest day.
Yosemite. We're here at Yosemite. We're gonna take our picture. Oh my god, look at that waterfall. Holy crap. That's amazing. Wow. We've made it to Yosemite. Park is beautiful. Just driving in here was amazing. We saw some of the waterfalls. We're gonna get a better view. But right now we're gonna go to the Welcome Center, get some information, get a park map, go to the bathroom, and get ready for a long day. There are so many hikes to do here. We are here. I know Mist Trail is over here. So, can you drive down this way, or is this just sidewalk?
This is hiking trail. This is road.
Once again, these super mega busy parks get their whole shuttle systems, and this park is big, so there's 2 shuttles, 2 routes. We're gonna catch a shuttle down to the Mist Trail, which will be very cool. I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna do Vernal Fall and Mist Trails. It'll be very cool. About 2 miles-ish. Let's go. We must hike up to the Mist Trail. Oh. 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 Up we go. Wow. I could survive that. I don't think so.
Try it. I'll sell tickets. I'll fund it.
You'll fund my expenditure? One-time payment. Wow, that is quite rapid.
Can I have your life insurance?
I don't have life insurance.
Yeah, you do.
You don't know what I have.
I feel for that
This
guy with
hike
the wagon.
is just a mile of straight incline the entire way. Oh my gosh.
I can't do it.
Be a bad place to fall in. Mist Trail. Vernal Falls 0.3, Nevada 1.6. Half Dome another 6 miles. Let's go. We're not gonna do Half Dome. It's way too long. It's like 15 miles round trip to Half Dome. It's too far for us. We're almost at the misty part though. Almost there. This is why they call it the Mist Trail. Can't see anything. How beautiful is that? The mist. Look at that. I'm getting soaked. How far does this go? Yosemite is as good as they say it is. Wow. All right, well, we could go all the way around, but it's kind of long, or we could just turn around and go back down the wet way.
Look how wet he is.
I am soaked completely.
That's so.
And now I'm gonna get soaked again.
Do a little twirl for me.
Huh?
Do a little twirl. Wow.
Yep.
Baby girl.
Back down we go. We finished the Mist Trail. It was super cool. It's like a mile straight up. But then when you get to the misty part, very cool, very worth it. We're now gonna head out to the Lower Yosemite Falls Trail to see another waterfall. I think it's the most iconic waterfall in Yosemite. So we're gonna go check it out. We're walking to the Lower Yosemite Falls Trail. And just everything around here is just so scenic. It's just such a beautiful day. Ignore all the cars. It's still pretty. Wow, some crisp mountain water right there.
Look creep.
Crisp water.
Así terminé yo ayer.
I can feel the mist right when I got out of the mist. An amazing waterfall. There's lots of people here. Wow. These parks that are bigger, like Yosemite, Grand Canyon, Zion, because they have so many people that visit them, they can afford to have more amenities. So here we're in the Yosemite Village, where they have gift shops, restaurants. Watch out, babe. Walking in the middle of the road. We got gift shops, restaurants, information centers, museums. So we're gonna go grab some lunch now. We just finished lunch. Now we're gonna go tube down the river with these flimsy Target tubes. There's like a section of the river that's not covered in rocks and everything, so let's go tube down it. Lots of people do it. We're not the only ones. I want to go from here. Let's go tubing down the Yosemite River. One rock below us and we're cooked.
Look how pretty that is. Look, you get a view of the falls.
Wow, it is pretty.
Your blackout test is so cool.
Alright, go ahead. Get in. It's cold, isn't it?
Oh, it's cold. No, that's what I mean.
Oh my gosh.
It's cold.
It is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's cold. I mean, I figured it'd be cold. Wow, it's cold.
Just put your booty at. You get used to it after a while.
I gotta keep my feet up. That's what I gotta do. Floating down the river with nothing to steer us. This water is moving quickly. If we hit one rock or branch and cooks our tube, we're done. We're freezing.
Well, we just get on the banks over there.
Yeah. We're okay. Wow, I'll take a picture of you.
I'm doing a video right now.
Wow, look at this. That's amazing. We've been to Touch. Ooh.
Then let's stay under here.
Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. There's the lower falls where we were earlier. And there's the upper falls. Beautiful. They just do it as a sign. I hear rushing water over there. I think we might be in trouble. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Look at this. Beautiful. There is El Capitan right there. One of the most famous peaks in Yosemite. And it is famous because a climber named Alex Honnold climbed it free solo, which means he climbed it without any ropes, which is insane. He climbed all the way up there with no ropes, and they documented it. It's crazy. I think I want to do it. I think my mom will be happy about that. Yeah. Look at this view of El Capitan. That's what he climbed. No ropes. Straight up. It's insane. Wow. What a gorgeous park. All right, that was it for our one day in Yosemite. Whew, a little long day. We hiked Mist Trail, we hiked Lower Yosemite Falls, and we tubed down the river in the valley. Yosemite is definitely one of the best parks we've been to for sure. It's definitely in the top 3 for me, and Alyssa is what, top number 1?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, we are now headed to Lassen Volcano National Park in North California. We are ready to get out of all this traffic again and back into nature. I mean, this is nature, but there's a lot of people here. So, but up there shouldn't be as many people. But, all right, we will see you guys next time. You guys thought the video was over? It's not over. We're back, baby. Video continues. Look at all these people just living in the moment. Not a phone in sight, just living in the moment. Now, the goal tonight, turn this 100 into 150 so we can get free dinner. Let's go. Let's go. Very first bet on roulette, I said, let's bet $1 on 3. That's our day that we got married, or not married, but, you know, started dating. Day we consider our official, beginning of our love story. Boom, it hits $1 on 3.
Hey, let's go get our burgers.
We're up 130. We're up $30. That's dinner right there. That's dinner right there. Okay, it turns out the wings are a little expensive here, so we need to make a little more money to cover the wings. You only get 8 jumbo wings for $18.
What do I do?
10 on red. Let's go. 10 on red. Come on. Come on. Show me the red. Show me the red. Daddy's hungry. Come on, red. No, 0. We're trying the forbidden snake method. Forbidden snake method, $12. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Show us the snake. It's the year of the snake. Come on. Come on. Don't let us down, snake method. 16. Oh, we got it. We hit snake method. We hit snake method. Our greed. We had 140 and we still rolled. Now we only have a 101. So we're not down, but we could have had our free or almost free dinner. So now we have to turn our luck around at the crowd. Come on, give me a good number. Let's go. Go. When all else fails, blackjack brings us back. Let's go. Free dinner right here. She's holding it up like she did it, but I did it. Let's go. Let's go get our dinner. Oh my goodness. Gambling never tasted so good. I got myself chicken sandwich. We got some wings. She got chicken Alfredo. We are eating good tonight. 59 cents. Let's go. Oh my goodness. How good it feels to leave the casino a winner. We started with 100. We ended up with 182. $82 profit. And we got some leftover dinner for tomorrow's lunch. I have no idea why people would stop gambling. It's so fun, so good.